Okay, so in front of us is a PlayStation 4. This is the Batman Arkham Knight edition, which is a little bit beat up. Anyways, this PS4 unfortunately seems to have no display. If we try to turn it on, you notice that the blue light in the middle turns on, but if we look at the screen, there's nothing, unfortunately. So I have a suspicion this is maybe just an HDMI port replacement, or maybe even the Retina chip. But anyways, let's go ahead and take it apart and see if we can figure out what's wrong. Okay, as you can see, we have the PS4 on the mat, and as you can also tell, I'm wearing gloves for a change. If you're familiar with my channel or my streams, then you know that I've never actually worn gloves on video. Most videos that showcase gloves do it for that white glove experience, which in my opinion is basically just cosplay. But for a console, and in particular a PS4, I do actually recommend you wear gloves, as these things are filthy, and in this particular case, covered in roaches. Anyways, I'll show you one when we open it up. If we zoom in a bit more, you can kind of see the carcass of a cockroach over here, actually. Yep, disgusting as ever. Anyways, thankfully you don't see this stuff on graphics cards. The first thing that I kind of notice is that the HDMI port looks really goddamn off. In fact, if I zoom in, it's lifted upwards, and also the pins don't even seem to be touching the board. I can't really tell. So I think this would be a fix, but a very disgusting fix, by the way. If you can't tell, we have some thermal pads, at least one thermal pad stuck here, and those bits that you're looking at on the end, that is some mixture of dust and cockroach legs, which is, if I'm being frank, goddamn disgusting. Okay, as you can see, I've kind of cleaned the power supply. It's not perfectly sanitary. I wouldn't pick it out with my bare hands. Anyways, let's get on to the actual HDMI port itself. Okay, so as you saw, I replaced the HDMI port. If we now turn on the PS4, we have a PlayStation logo, and in a bit it should get into the OS. Okay, as you can see, the PS4 now works. All I had was a broken HDMI port, as well as a slew of dead cockroaches and their feces, which is pretty disgusting. If you come across my channel or my videos hoping to get electronic repair, I should note that I now have a website, www.techcemetery.com, link in the description of this video, where you can submit repair requests for any electronic device. Actually, I look at basically anything these days, even consoles, but if you have a cockroach infested console, maybe send it somewhere else, or do the world a favor and just chuck it in a fire. But in either case, I do hope you learned something watching this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.